Mastering ISO 13485. ISO 13485 stands alone in demanding operational excellence from medical device manufacturers. Which quality management standard, between ISO 13485 and others like ISO 9001, exhibits distinct requirements that address the specific needs of medical device manufacturers, thereby differing from others in its approach to operational excellence. ISO 13485 stands out as a distinctive quality management standard that specifically caters to the unique needs of medical device manufacturers, distinguishing it from other standards like ISO 9001. While ISO 9001 provides a broad framework for quality management, ISO 13485 offers a more tailored approach that addresses the specific requirements and risks associated with medical device manufacturing. One of the primary differences between ISO 13485 and ISO 9001 is the emphasis on risk management. Medical devices are subject to strict regulations and pose inherent risks to patients and users. As such, ISO 13485 places a strong focus on risk management, requiring organizations to identify, assess, and mitigate risks throughout the product lifecycle. This includes risks associated with device design, manufacturing, testing, and distribution, as well as post-market surveillance. Another key difference lies in the standard's approach to design control. Medical devices are often complex products that require a deep understanding of human factors, user needs, and clinical requirements. ISO 13485 addresses this by placing emphasis on design controls, including design verification, validation, and transfer. This ensures that medical devices are designed to meet user needs, are safe and effective, and comply with regulatory requirements. Additionally, ISO 13485 has a stronger focus on documentation and record-keeping requirements. Medical device manufacturers must maintain rigorous documentation and record-keeping systems to demonstrate compliance with regulatory requirements and to facilitate traceability throughout the product lifecycle. This includes documentation of design controls, production records, testing and inspection results, and post-market surveillance data. Supply chain management is another area where ISO 13485 differs significantly from ISO 9001. Medical device manufacturers rely heavily on complex global supply chains, which can pose significant risks to product quality and patient safety. ISO 13485 addresses this by requiring organizations to establish strict controls over their supply chain, including supplier selection, evaluation, and monitoring. Furthermore, ISO 13485 places a strong emphasis on regulatory compliance, which is critical in the medical device industry. Manufacturers must navigate complex regulatory frameworks, including FDA regulations, EU's MDR, and other national and international requirements. The standard ensures that organizations have a deep understanding of relevant regulations and maintain a state of compliance throughout the product lifecycle. Lastly, ISO 13485 has a unique approach to audit and surveillance. The standard requires organizations to establish an internal audit program that includes regular audits, management review, and corrective action processes. This ensures that organizations have a robust system in place to identify and address deviations, nonconformities, and opportunities for improvement. In summary, ISO 13485 exhibits distinct requirements that address the specific needs of medical device manufacturers, differing from other quality management standards like ISO 9001. The standards focus on risk management, design controls, documentation, supply chain management, regulatory compliance, and audit and surveillance sets it apart as a tailored approach to operational excellence in the medical device industry.